Xiaomi offshoot Redmi is set to unveil the Redmi 9 Prime in India on August 4, and the phone has now been confirmed to pack a full HD Plus display. Word on the matter comes from Xiaomi India MD Manu Jain through Twitter. The company has not revealed the full specs sheet of the Redmi 9 Prime yet, but the smartphone is said to be a rebranded Redmi 9 global variant that was first announced in Spain back in June. If that's true, you can expect the Redmi 9 Prime to have a Helio G80 SoC at the helm with a screen measuring 6.53 diagonally. For photography, the Redmi 9 Prime will come with a total of 5 cameras, an 8MP selfie shooter on the front with a 13MP primary camera on the back joined by an 8MP ultra-wide, 5MP macro and 2MP depth sensor units. There will also be a fingerprint reader on the back for biometric authentication. The Redmi 9 Prime will ship with a 5020 mAh battery that will draw power through a USB-C port at up to 18W, but it remains to be seen if the company will bundle a 10W brick with the box or delight customers with an 18W charger.